What's up, you guys? It's your girl Chef K, and today we're gonna switch it up a notch and we're gonna make a garlic bread grilled cheese sandwich. It's gonna be so good, so fire. Let's get into it.
So I'm just going to roast my garlic first. I'm going to cut the top off and then drizzle some olive oil, wrap that in some parchment paper and foil, and roast that in the oven on 350 for about 45 minutes. Now you can just wrap it in foil if you want, but I don't like my food touching the foil, so I'm going to wrap it in parchment paper and foil. And when this comes out, you don't have to use a whole head of garlic, but I like garlic flavor, so I'm using about 5 cloves. And I'm just going to squeeze it out like this. This is like not appealing whatsoever. It looks like pimples, coming out. Sorry to gross you guys out, but yeah, this part is not appealing. Just go ahead, squeeze that out, and then add in your softened butter. And then we're gonna go ahead and add in all the spices that's listed on the screen and just mix that together. Hey, it's me again. So now we're gonna shred our cheese. I'm doing this by hand because I don't have my electric shredder that I had in one of my previous videos. I don't know what happened to it. I feel like it got lost in one of the probably 14 moves that I've done in my life. So yeah. Anyway, we're just gonna shred our mozzarella and our cheddar cheese, and then we're gonna go on to assembling the sandwich. So we're just gonna spread some of that butter on both sides of the bread. I'm using sourdough bread. Now you can go ahead and spread a tablespoon of butter on each side and it should be good to go. If you're a part of the cheese police, then please leave this video right now because it's about to get disgusting. I use like 1/4 of a cup of mozzarella and 1/4 of a cup of cheddar because I really wanted that, cheese pull effect. I like my grilled cheese sandwiches to actually be like, grilled cheese, not like one little slice of crab cheese. I want my joint real cheesy. Anyway, we're just gonna put a teaspoon of olive oil in the pan because we already have the butter going on both sides on medium heat. And then we're gonna place our grilled cheese in the pan and put a lid over it. Then after about 3 to 4 minutes, you want to go ahead and flip it. And then we're going to cook it on this side for another 3 to 4 minutes. Make sure you put that lid back over it so it can help the cheese melt. And then we're going to take the lid off. And I'm going to drop 2 teaspoons of water into the pan and put the lid back over it just so that the cheese can really, really melt. We want that cheese all the way melted, for real, for real. And then we're gonna take her out and look how gorgeous she is and look how beautiful that cheese melted. Let's go, Chef K. Sprinkle some chopped parsley on it and just pat it in a little bit so it can stick to it. And you wanna go ahead and make sure you sprinkle it on both sides, not just one side. Grilled cheese in half and then boom. Okay, tell me I didn't eat. And tell me y'all not about to eat this.
Now it's time for a taste test. I didn't get that cheese pull when I bit into it because by the time I bit into it, it was kind of cold, but still good overall. Anyways, check you guys in the next video. Later.